Have you gotten any weird looks as you're riding around?
All the time, all the time. Like people are like, oh, nice bike, like that's so cool, give me a ride. I'm Tommy Lehr. I'm a mechanical engineer and I'm a 5th year senior. I've grown up in the metals world. I took a lot of shop classes in high school, including like college level welding and stuff like that. And so I'm very comfortable with it. And so a lot of the projects that I wanted to do personally involved metalworking, and the tools here I can't fit in like my apartment. So I started working in the shop's junior year. After I kind of walked past this place enough times, I was like, whoa, they have a lot of cool tools and it's free to use as a student. And when I found out that it was free to use, I was like, I gotta sign up. So I did the safety training and was instantly in the metal shop. One of my coworkers, I work at the local bike shop, he has a really big bucket cargo bike for carrying his kids around. And I saw that and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And then I went to Amsterdam, and the scene over there for cargo bikes is huge. Like seeing everyone going around and they have all their family in the front, or just really cool to see. And I wanted one, but they're too expensive. So I was like, I'll just build one instead. So I had a vision of what I wanted my cargo bike to look like in my head. So I was able to get a lot of scrap metal from I recycled bikes and stuff that I had garbage picked or whatever. And my first iteration was pretty good, but not very polished. It was kind of ugly. The second iteration, I came back with all the ideas that I got from that first round and was able to make some pretty key changes to geometry to affect the handling of it. And I added a lot more luxury features, a folding deck on it, the ability to have a suspension fork in the front. You can take the whole deck off, which was nice. It's a kit that turns your bike into a cargo bike, so I was able to make it a little bit more user-friendly. And then the third one was a different method of attaching it to the bike, and that didn't end up working. This fourth iteration is a completely different style of cargo bike, and I started building this one because I wanted even more cargo capabilities. Yeah, and most of it's actually been funded by the school, because I entered the cargo bike into a pitch competition here at school. It's hosted by the Papa John Entrepreneurship Program, and ended up taking first place for that and got a scholarship of $5,000 to keep using for this kind of stuff. You learn all this stuff in a classroom, but it doesn't really mean much until you can apply it hands-on. I was getting upwards of 15 hours in the shop practicing my welding, and practice makes perfect. Especially with welding, welding takes a lot of consistency and a lot of practice to get good at, and the ability to just come in here pretty much anytime I want and practice it has been very, very helpful. Here at Iowa State, they make it so easy. If you have a project that you've been thinking about, just come in here and talk to the guys. And a lot of these people have experience with not only this equipment, but a lot of these have industry experience with manufacturing and with just being an engineer. So just come in and talk to them, and they'll help you figure out what are the best ways to make the things that you want to make. It's pretty cool. Just bring your own metal and go crazy.